Well, Festus Keyamo, Minister of State for Labour and Employment, in an interview on live television, said the Lagos Judicial Panel on police brutality was illegal and a waste of time. Well, the minister, who is also a lawyer, urged other lawyers to read the Tribunal of Inquiry Act of Lagos State, which states that the governor will have the power to inquire into the conduct of any person and chieftaincy matters and any matter that would promote the good of the public. He further stated that the Lagos State government, which set up the judicial panel, lacks the power to probe the conduct of police and military officers, and by that virtue of the 1999 Constitution, only the federal government can investigate the military and the police. I mean, I think that this is quite serious.
It was NEC that sets up the panel.
I don't understand.
It wasn't the Lagos State government. It was the National Executive Council. Gave them 6 weeks. All 36 states should set up panels to look into police brutality. And they even were specific. Each panel must be headed by a retired high court judge. You must have a youth representative, one student representative, one representative of the police force, one representative of the Human Rights Commission, I believe, and then you must have a fund for compensation of victims, the National Executive Council, I stress.
So a minister in this country, because he wants to defend the indefensible, doesn't know about that,
In August, 8 states gave their reports to the NEC. They submitted their reports to the person who asked them to set up the panel.
Yes. In any case, as a senior advocate of Nigeria, I'm sure Festus Keyamo, I don't need to educate him on this, should know that he's raising a question about jurisdiction.
Yes.
The jurisdiction of that Tribunal of Inquiry. And he must know that it's not something that he can just raise, in an off-the-cuff remark on television. Because the jurisdiction of a judicial body speaks to the functionality, the meaning, the essence of that particular panel. And that's why it can be raised before, during, and after the sitting of that particular body. And it's not something you raise in a very frivolous manner. If you feel so concerned, he knows the place to go to. He should go to court. It's not a thing on which he can make a final statement and say, I'm a senior advocate of Nigeria. That's not how it's done.
Thank you, quite clearly.
That's all I have for you on What's Trending today. I'll see you all tomorrow.